Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft.com, that's where subscriptions live and why a browser is best. Once signed in, go to Services and Subscriptions immediately so you see active Microsoft 365 plans. Make sure you note the billing date and payment method shown. That determines refunds or prorated charges. If you share a family plan, verify whether you manage the subscription or are a member. This avoids accidentally canceling someone else's access and saves time when you can now locate the Microsoft 365 plan row and click Manage. This is the control center for cancellation. Once in Manage, look for Cancel Automatic Renewal or Turn Off Auto Renew. Choose the option that matches your goal. If you want immediate termination, select Cancel Subscription and follow prompts to confirm. If you prefer to stop future charges but keep remaining time, pick Turn Off Auto Renew. Make sure to read any info about prorated refunds or access loss before confirming so you know the consequences. Finish by confirming the cancellation and watching for an email receipt. Save that for your records. Once done, sign out and sign back in to verify the subscription status changed. Make sure your billing statement reflects the stop in charges. If cancellation fails or you still see charges, contact Microsoft support and provide your account email and order ID from receipts. If you need to restore access later, you can resubscribe, but expect lost settings or shared family privileges when reactivating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.